Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll highlight the differences between the 6 volt and the 12 volt postie when changing a worn timing chain. If you've already seen my timing chain videos but you've got a 12 volt postie and you want to know what the difference is, this video is for you. Now stick around, I'll get straight into it. This is a 2010 a late model CT110 ex-Australia post and the electrical system is 12 volts. The cover here is slightly different shape and there are a few small differences. First thing you'll notice, no JIS, simply an 8mm socket to remove the screws. I had to drop the footrest out of the way, otherwise the casing won't come off, and obviously I've removed the gear lever. Let's take the cover off and have a look inside. Well, that's the covers removed, and I've removed this cover, what is usually the points or CDI cover. And as you can see on the 12 volt bike, there's nothing in there. It's just a blanking cover really. There's nothing for the ignition, advance or retard or anything in there. So it's much simpler on the 12 volt bike. On the 12 volt bike you can see the stator is different, and here's the pickup, the pulse generator for the ignition. And that will work in conjunction with the magnet on the rotor there. You will need a slightly different puller for the 12 volt bike, and this is an M30 by 1.5, and that will help you pull the rotor off. But once that's off, you can see inside it's identical to the CT110 with the exception of the screws are no longer JIS. It's an 8mm socket. Hope that clears up the differences between the 6 volt and 12 volt bike, and you can crack on and change the cam chain yourself. Thanks for watching.